where I'm gonna start. I know that I've been really out of YouTube and out of making videos for like 2 months. The last time I made a video was the Christmas video, I think. And yeah, I think that was my last one. So I've been full of assignments, exams, and I really needed to pass all of them because my master's degree is first. Then I have my all the things I need to do. My nutrition, I want it to be on point. I want my training to be on point, and I really needed to take some time away from YouTube and from making videos to think about the path that I want my YouTube videos to take. So right now I still haven't decided about that, but I really want to continue to make new videos. I will sell this camera right now. That's another thing that I wanted to talk about. I'm gonna sell this camera because of some things that you will see in the future, but I'm buying a new camera, an action camera that I have right here, a GoPro, Euro 4 session for some new videos that you're gonna see. But yeah, I'm gonna sell this one because I need the money, so I can get the money back that I paid for GoPro and still have some money to do some other things that you're gonna see in the future. So maybe the next videos are going to be filmed with my GoPro. I still need to figure out how I'm gonna do it. But yeah, I think that's it. I think that's all really I wanted to say, and I really want to say to you that if you want to see something, or if you want like some ideas about nutrition, about training, about how I do things, please let me know. I will make videos about that, and you will help me, and I will help you with that. So yeah. Another thing. Right now, I started to be followed by a coach and by a team Prozis, and all my nutrition and training are designed by my coach and by his team. And so right now, all my if it fits your macros and my workout routine that I had was put a little bit aside, and yeah, and right now I'm following a more bodybuilding kind of diet, like 6 meals a day, but I'm eating a lot right now. I'm eating around 3,000 calories on my workout days, and 2,600 calories on my rest days. So I'm eating really a lot right now, and feeling dry. I'm looking drier right now, but yeah, I'm eating really much more food than I was before this, and I don't have those cravings that I used to have. So I'm really enjoying this and how I'm feeling right now. My body is reacting really well, and I really want to see where I get in the future. So I want to compete. I really want to compete in the future. Let's see how my body reacts, and in what shape I can get, and we will see. From that time, we will see where and when we are going to compete. So yeah, right now I think that's it. Yeah. see you in the next video, guys.
I have to be me 20.